Good morning, guys. Today is the 3rd of December 2024. The current time is 8:55 a.m. IST, and what I'm currently sharing is the Nifty futures chart. So, what you're seeing on the screen is the market profile with the order flow, right? So, yesterday in my Telegram channel, I have shared the levels or areas of interest which the order flow gave me, and this was, before the market opened, right? So, this was the levels, which I shared, and currently, if you see what has happened overall in the Nifty, right? So, where are the trapped buyers seen is around the 24,427 to 24,474 range, and the trapped sellers are around the 24,160 and 24,155, right? So, even if you spot this, right? So, when I shared this, we did not had the structure or the market that opened. I'll also be sharing the levels for today, what to observe for 3rd of December. For 2nd of December, if you clearly see the highs, they are at 24,473, which is very much nearby to the 24,474, right? So this is where supply started competing, and this order flow indicator is built understanding the context from the market profile. And overall, if you see, this was the area where the sellers are still intact, and that's where. So to the tick, 24,474 was the area. So 27 to 74 was the range wherein you can build your sort of short positions. And the close was also around the 428 range, right? So around the 427 range. But that's fine. Now this is where the supply came in, and I was able to clearly identify using the data points where I'll be looking for strong supply to come in. And if I observe the low, right, where we had a sort of an excess, right, the low was made at 24,171. Obviously, a bit too far, from the 160 level. So I was looking for it to at least, tag the 24,103 or 24,128 level, but it did not. Supply basically shut off, and responsive buying stepped in. So 24,160 was not reached, but this was the area where we have got an excess, and clearly the order flow data was helping me to observe the level in terms of what's happening, right? So 24,304, right? So this was the close of Friday. So this is where you are seeing the 304, and yeah, these were the above areas, where I am able to spot it, right? Now, coming to today's auction. So first of all, let me just clear all the drawings. And what's the data suggesting now for the 3rd of December, right? Okay, so I'll just delete this, I'll just add the new data points. And so this is for the 3rd of December 2024, right? So clearly the data or the my eyes clearly goes to the 24,500 level, 501 to 584. So 565 is one of the areas, and that's where again sellers stepped in. So this is where I'm expecting supply to step in. And on the lower end is 420 to 418, right? So up to 400. So do I have a level? So I have a 306 level. That's where the close was there, previous day's close. And also we have a sort of an excess or a single print. That's fine. But these are the areas where, I'm looking for sellers. These are the areas where I'm looking for supply to shut off, right? And overall, the 400 range is, I'm not looking to trade any, right? It will be a bit choppy. So let's see how the day develops. And, I'll be starting this as a daily series. So let's see, how the data develops and how the market develops. Yeah.